Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dave from Quarter Flips. Just here for a quick video today because in my last video I said that it was kind of a feast or famine thing selling online, and at the current moment we seem to be in a famine, and then as soon as I posted that video, it might have become feast. Okay, admittedly not a huge feast, but definitely a welcome change to the way things had been. I sold a whole bunch of stuff in just like the 12 to 15 hours after the video went live, where I was complaining about not selling anything. And it was enough stuff that if I had those sales every day, I'd be set. I could live off that, no problem, and put money in the bank. So let's keep moving that direction. So what I thought I would do is I would just show all the stuff that sold, and then the few things that trickled in the day or two since that. And then I also had an opportunity to go to the first garage sale of the year for me. It was just kind of came out of nowhere and I wasn't expecting it. I saw this listing and thought, oh, you know, I should go check that out. And it ended up being way more than I expected. So I'm going to show the things that I sold, and then we'll do the garage sale. I'm not going to do a whole lot about what I bought at the garage sale at the end, because all of the money that I spent at this garage sale was $1 new car money, which means I'll show those items in the $1 new car video that'll be coming up shortly. But I'll show some of the things that I find as I find them, maybe put some prices up on the screen, and then come back at the end of the video. I'll talk about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway stuff, which is going to happen probably within 24 hours of this video going live, at least the announcement about how it's going to go. I'm looking at it, iDPRT, let things better, faster and vital. Thermal label printer, it's up there on the shelf, but I'll wait till the next video to show it. Okay, let's do this. Sold a bunch of DVDs. I sold this Dragging the Lake video magazine. This has got stuff like Sick of It All and Taking Back Sunday and Rival Schools on it. No one jumped at this for a long time. I thought it was going to be maybe better than it was, but whatever. It went for $7.99, shipping included. I also sold this Insanity Beachbody Dig Deeper thing. I've been hearing that this isn't the best stuff to sell online, so I'm glad it's gone. This went for $7.99 plus shipping. From Wharf Rat to Lords of the Docks, The Life and Times of Harry Bridges, as seen on PBS. This is a cool documentary or one-man show, I think, about this guy's life on DVD. This went for $9.99. 3 Disney DVDs, Aladdin, The Little Mermaid Special Edition, and Robin Hood. These went for $16.99, shipping included. And the Marilyn Monroe Diamond Collection Volume 1, 6 DVDs. This was $19.99 plus shipping. Sold some VHS, 6 lightly used Roger Moore 007 James Bond tapes. These went for $9.99 plus shipping. I sold these shoes. I made a video about these shoes, about how they were not a pair, and that even though they looked the same, they were the same company and the same size, they were actually 2 slightly different models, and how you really need to check that. I listed them both as amputee models, or amputee shoes, a listing for the right and a listing for the left. Someone got in touch and said, I know they're not the same shoe, but they're the same size. Would you put them both together and sell them to me? So I did. These went out for $29.99 plus shipping, as a pair. The saga continues. Sold some used gaming books. This is Traveler 2300. There are 3 books in here. I'm not going to pull them out of the package. They went for $16.99, shipping included. This actually wasn't the best deal, but I got these in a big pile of books I got last year when I was up in Bellingham with my parents, and I'm happy for them to go for the price they went for. It's fine. And a Spelljammer book, The Grand Tour from the Legend of Spelljammer box set, just the book by itself. This went for $14.99 plus shipping, and I'm not surprised because the Dungeons & Dragons folks just announced that they are re-releasing a new version of Spelljammer, so that must have caused some renewed interest. Happy to get 15 for this. And I sold a couple of miniatures. These are Raw Partha Dwarf Fighters. They're from the AD&D Adventurers line. These miniatures always came with a male and female of the same character, and the later ones, like the last 3 or so that they made, go for a higher price. I had never even seen these dwarf fighters before. They ended up going for $19.99 plus shipping. And then over on Discogs, I sold some vinyl and CDs. Let's start with the vinyl this time. This is D'Angelo and the Vanguard Black Messiah double LP. This one went for $19.99 plus shipping. And J.J. Cale, Naturally. This record was in the video I just did the other day that was about all the vinyl records. This was in that pile. I listed it the day I made the video, and it sold for $59.99 plus shipping. And sold some CDs on Discogs. 108, New Beat from a Dead Heart. This went for $6.99. Trial, Are These Our Lives? This went for $7.99. And the Magnetic Fields 69 3 CD box set. This went for $11.99. All these together, shipping on top. And finally on the CD front, I sold this. Integrity, Those Who Fear Tomorrow, original Overkill Records pressing of 1,000. Person got in touch. They said, you don't ship to Europe. I said, I do ship to Europe. It just depends on where you're at. I've had issues with shipping to Europe. Certain countries, stuff goes missing a lot, and that's been a real problem. So I've just kind of shut down international shipping on Discogs for the most part. Let them know that. They said, I'm from Denmark. We have the safest shipping in the world. I agree. That's not a place I'm worried about. So I set up my shipping standards to be able to sell to them. And they paid $99.99 for the CD, $32, I think, for the shipping, and another $34, like VAT tax. They paid well over $160 for this CD. CDs are awesome. This is a particularly awesome CD, though. I understand it. They said they've been looking for this forever. So I am happy to make the sale, and I am happy that they are getting something this cool. Yeah, so that's a whole lot better couple days than things have been. But you know what? I'm done talking about that. Let's talk about this garage sale that I went to. I did have the GoPro, and yeah, if you feel like going through a garage sale with me, watch this next bit. I saw an ad for this garage sale this morning. Thought I'd give this a shot real quick. They said it was the last day of the garage sale, and everything in there is $1. See if I can come away with a couple of scores. Hello, how are you?
Good. Everything is $1.
Setting that aside. Is it all right with you if I run this GoPro? Thank you. Okay. Is it all right with you if I put it right here? Okay. Oh.
And then there's more back around over there in a tent.
Oh, okay.
Hi there. Did they sell all their Legos yesterday? I'll go back and take a look.
You can go back and take a look. I don't
Okay.
know. I haven't been back there.
Okay.
Risk on that.
Replace your old weather windows with industry-leading manufacturers from ProCraft Windows to free access and a lifetime installation warranty. Ask about the Spirit Friends and Family call.
great day, you guys. Thank you.
Yeah. I can shuffle that thing back over to my to my car when I get to it.
Okay.
I don't mind.
So, there. 16.
16, 17, 18?
Yep.
Okay, I'll do some more. And there's some more stuff around the back?
Yes, there's stuff in that shed all the way back to the...
Well, I will definitely go check that out too after I get through with all this.
Time for you to get up, take action, go do something, go be a part of the change in the world. I don't wanna be afraid every time I face the world. And I don't wanna see it
I'm gonna have to put these in a bag.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Ooh.
Twist your finger.
Oh, no, you didn't twist it. No, no, no. Four ornaments. Four more.
Yeah, take it. 9. That's 31 items.
Oh, 31. Thank you. You did keep a count.
Yeah.
Thank you. What was my number again?
You got 32 here.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 41?
41. Okay.
Alright. You're going to be here till 3 today?
Yeah.
I appreciate you doing all this
I'll
for
put the
me.
movies in there.
Dad, don't worry too much about it.
Here. So $40 be good.
Oh, thank you. 40 cash.
Are you a seller?
I am.
I am a eBay seller,
Oh, fantastic.
but we're moving,
Ah,
so I'm getting rid of all my inventory. So I have tons more inventory.
I get. Are you going to keep doing this sale?
Well, we'll be done today, and then in a couple more weeks.
I'll keep my eye out for sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, like I said, the stuff that I picked up in that garage sale that is going to be worth selling for the $1 new car challenge, I will be showing that in the video hopefully later this week, and you'll be able to see the stuff that I got there. There may be a couple of items that I bought on a whim that just aren't worth it because I wasn't checking prices on stuff. Mostly, I was just grabbing stuff. So if I made a couple of mistakes, I'm just going to donate those and spread the cost across the other items because everything's going to be less than $1. I got 41 items for $40 there. So I had a really great time at that garage sale, and it got me hungry for going to more garage sales. And we are headed into May, and historically that has been when we will start seeing them in the Pacific Northwest. I don't know, the last couple of years with COVID and everything, garage sales have been really bad, but I have a feeling, like a lot of people have been saying, it's going to really spin up this year. So let's see what happens. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for coming along. Please like and subscribe, and tune in tomorrow. I'm going to be putting up the information about giving away some stuff. All right. Thank you very much. See you next time.